What's up guys, commenting here, back with another video. And since the year 2020 is affected by the coronavirus, I suggest everyone to stay safe, stay home. Today we have the Turtle Beach Air Force Recon 50P gaming headset. I ordered this from Amazon, and this is a wired PS4 headset. Turtle Beach is a very renowned brand of headphones, so let's unbox this up and let's see what do we get. Okay, so you can see the picture of the headphones with the mic and Turtle Beach PS4 Pro Air Force Recon 50P gaming headset wired. So let's see the box. You got a Turtle Beach logo and the name of the earphone, which is Air Force Recon 50P. So these are high quality 40mm speakers, large 40mm stereo speakers, produce crisp highs and thundering lows, lightweight and over ear design, play for hours and complete comfort, and volume control and mic mute. Removable microphone. Okay, you can remove the mic whenever you want, so you can use on your mobiles and anything, or PC. You don't need your mic, you can just remove it. So the compatibility is PS4, PS4 Pro, Xbox One, PC, Nintendo Switch, Mac, mobile. You have 3.9mm jack. So this retailed me at 2,000 rupees. It's a very budget headphones for your console or your PC or your phone, depends upon you. So let's unbox this up. Okay, so let's grab this up. Okay, so this packaging only says that the Turtle Beach is a renowned brand. Come on, get out. Okay, see, it has good packaging. Okay, so you got the attention and everything, the manuals, and we don't actually need to read these. So you have got for support, for issues, they've given you links and everything. Oh, a sticker, that's nice. Turtle Beach. Okay. This is the mic, removable mic, and let's just unwrap this. Oh, it's been okay. Gotta twist the wire. It's been holding up. Right. Alright, so let's turn it on and let's just look at the headphones. Oh wow, they feel very nice. This actually is a very good quality headphone. I didn't expect this high quality in this price. So you can see the Turtle Beach logo. The cushions are very soft. You can see the Turtle Beach logo inside the earpiece, and oh okay, the Turtle Beach branding engraved on top of the headphones. And here, adjustable ones, obviously. And let me just take out the mic and just okay, so this do separate, so you can see. Right, foam. Okay, you can put the foam back inside. Right. So okay. Right. There you go. So gaming headphones, adjustable mic, you can just use it according to your preference. So I think it's a very good quality headphones. I didn't expect this much high quality at this price. So it's a thumbs up for me for Turtle Beach. Well, that's it. That's the unboxing video of the Turtle Beach Air Force Recon Air Force Recon 50P. That's it. That's it for now, guys. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you, guys. See you in my next video.